I'll just delete this file. I'll just show it from the beginning. So how you can, this is an Eclipse. Once you open this Eclipse, a blank projects will be open. Have a 3 projects in my workspace. That's fine. I just restart the Eclipse once again to show how it will be on the restart. So once the Eclipse is open, it will ask for an workspace. Workspace is an area where your projects and configurations are stored, and once you create your workspace, the project explorer window will be displayed. So you can go and create a project by saying new project, and in this case it's a Java project. Just click on next and create your project. A folder like structure with the Java will be available, and a source folder will be created. Inside the source folder, if you right click, you can directly create a class file, or you can create a package. Package is basically a bundling of class together, so that handling of many minor projects in the project is very easy. For example, a big project may be divided into subtasks. For each and every subtask, many people will be working. So if every people works on different packages, and later on if we integrate, things will get easier in a very big project management. That's an idea of package. Right now we'll go and create a class directly. It will be, let us give a class name, let us say hello world. By convention we always capitalize our class name. As you can see, our Eclipse is throwing in a default package is discouraged. You can go and create your custom package also, but right now we'll go stick with the default package. So as you can see, I have created my Java file with the main method as well. I just come to this part. What does this all this means in the next tutorial? Right now the idea is, I just wanted to show you guys a simple program of printing a message in the console. Console is a window available here to see all the happenings, all the logs, whatever is happening while running your program. Or while if you want to give a user input, it can be given through console as well. I'll just show you a basic program of printing a hello world. So it says, system is a class in Java. As you can see, it is available under java.lang package, and system is a class, and out is a print stream static variable, and if you give out dot print line is a method. Inside the print line, whatever the text you wanted to print in the console, you will get. Let's say our text is hello world. I'll come to explain about all these parts later. What is a class, why we are declaring a class, what are all these things in the next tutorial. Right now we'll try to run this program. So I just save it. So once you save, as you can see, it will be auto compiled, and you can see a class file created here. This is the our Java file, hello world.java. But as you can see here, there is one more file here, hello world, and this is a class file. So what is a class file? Whenever you compile a Java file, the compiler will take your high level Java language, and it will convert it into a byte level language called class file. Later on, the byte level language will be converted into a binary language, ones and zeros, by an interpreter and given as command to our machine. Same way the reverse happens. Whatever command from the machine is taken as binary and to byte level language and back to our high level language. So that is the main job of compiler. Only this class file will be run by our compiler. So whenever you compile a Java file, this class file will be created. This class file contains every information you type as a high level Java file as a bytecode. So this is the main idea of class file. So I have just saved it. So how you can run is like you can right click your file and say run as Java application. As you can see, this message is printed out in the console. I can just add the message like, "Ooh, this is our first program." You just save it, run it. There it is. So our hello world print statement is executed and the program has been run. Thank you guys. We'll see all the detail how it is, what are the things available to run, what are these public, static, void, main in the next tutorial. So I'll wrap it here. So if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you have comments, please say it in the comment section. And if you find it useful, share it. And if you, for more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.